Okay, so sometimes when I meditate, I go into alpha, and then next thing I know, the meditation is over. It's the 1 to 5 count to bring myself out. Does this mean I was in alpha, theta, or fell asleep?
Probably fell asleep. Like if you don't remember what you were doing, you became unconscious. Okay, so you've probably gone into sleep. Okay, if you just if you just stopped listening to me and started doing your own thing, right? You're still here. Like you can be in theta and conscious, right? Sleep is unconscious theta. Okay, conscious theta is your meditation. It's always the awareness. If your awareness is there, okay, that means your consciousness is there. That means you're awake. If you don't remember, you've gone to bed. Okay? You've taken a break. You've tuned me out. And that's okay too, because sometimes you're just it's just really good to be there. But the practice in this class is to do it consciously. Okay? Remember, if that is happening, and it's happened, let's say, more than once, then keep your back away from the chair. Okay? Because they're pretty comfortable chairs, right? A little too comfortable. Next time we'll get stools for everybody. They'll be falling on the person behind you.
What about balance balls?
To stay awake? Yeah. I have almost fallen off from a balance ball once or twice. So it does, right? Because what is the balance ball doing, right? It's keeping you conscious. So for some people, it can inhibit you going deeper, right? Because there's a certain point but sitting cross-legged is very good if you can do that, or if you get like a Middle Eastern pillow and you sit on it, or you sit on your bed. Sitting on the side of your bed or on the corner of your bed is good because it's soft enough, right? But it's hard enough, so it's kind of in between. That's a good place to do it as well. Yeah, sitting on the floor, sitting on steps, like if you're the kind of person sitting on the stairs. You're kind of on a stool, but it's not completely like that. Just don't be in a busy area. Like don't sit on TTC stairs as you're. They might lift you up and carry you out. Remember, the goal is to go deeper consciously.
If you would like to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel below. Once again, my name is Stephen Dobos, and you can download a free centering exercise. The information is in the description box below.